Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create creative poster design in Canva. So open a new design and upload your favorite photos. I uploaded these photos and go to background color, select a new color. I will choose black color and go to uploads, insert your photo one by one and go to edit, select magic grab. I will grab this character and remove this background, select this and go to apps, look for blender image, choose this up, select the image, choose radial, click on save. It's look good and insert other image. I will insert these photos and this also and this and this. I will choose this first, go to apps, go to edit, then magic grab, and make the same techniques for all these photos. Now select the photo and go to up and click blend selected image. Choose the radial and click on save. Now make the same techniques for all other photos. Now move the photos like this, this, crop all these photos and resize it as you want. And go to element and look for line. Choose graphics and I will select this line. Choose the color, the white color, and rotate it and move the line between the photos and duplicate it. Crop the photos fit with the line. Now our poster design is ready. You can also change the color. Select the photo and go to edit. After editor, click on custom and copy the same style to other photos. Now our poster is ready. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe in my channel.